have here in our house. Let's identify them according to their functions. Come on, let's start. Let's start with the hand tools. But first, what is a hand tool? Hand tools are the tools that are manually operated by hands. These are the tools used to cut, hold, loosen, tighten, and repair components in the computer. Like these, different kinds of screwdrivers, wire cutter, and tweezers. Screwdrivers used to tighten and loosen screws. Wire cutter used to cut and strip wires, while the tweezer to pick up and hold small components or objects in the computer. Let's proceed to cleaning tools. It is important to clean the computer hardware regularly to avoid accumulation of dust and dirt, which is one of the causes of damage in computers. Lint-free cloth. This is a special type of cloth that is used to clean components of computers without scratching it. And cable ties. It is used to tie and organize cables in the computer. Let's proceed to diagnostic tools. This is a multimeter. This is also known as ohm or volt-ohm-millimeter. It is a tool used to test the integrity of circuits and components. By the way, what is diagnostic tools? These are the tools used to test the condition of components in the computer. It is very essential to check the conditions of the components regularly to identify whether a component is still in good condition, needs repair, or is for replacement. And that's all.